Gamification in Learning, Module 8, Evaluating the Impact of Gamification, Part 1. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to recognize various methods to assess the impact of gamified learning, quantitative and qualitative analysis in evaluating gamified learning, and continuous improvement in gamified learning environments. This module contains 5 chapters: methods for assessing gamified learning, where students will be able to recognize the methods used to assess the impact of gamified learning, quantitative and qualitative analysis, where students will be able to differentiate between quantitative and qualitative analysis in evaluating gamified learning, feedback mechanisms for continuous improvement. A student will be able to identify feedback mechanisms that promote continuous improvement in gamified learning environments, case studies, measurable outcomes of gamification, where students will be able to analyze case studies to understand the measurable outcomes of gamification in real-world scenarios, and a summary to reflect the concept and significance of gamification in education. Methods for assessing gamified learning. Gamification can enhance aspect of learners' motivation. There are several methods can be used for assessing gamified learning, such as engagement metrics by tracking user interaction, time spent on tasks, and participation levels. The achievement metrics, where we can monitor scores, pages earned, and levels reached. Behavioral metrics, where we can observe changes in student behavior, such as increased collaboration or problem-solving skills. Feedback surveys, where we can collect feedback from learners about their experiences and perceptions of the gamified content. And performance analysis, where we can compare performance metrics before and after the introduction of gamification. Numbers of games played, however, is not a method for assessing gamified learning. In the context of gamification, a badge often represents a reward or achievement. Avatar is a visual representation often used in gamification to represent the player. The practice of gamifying learning has outpaced researchers' understanding of its mechanisms and methods. Gamification in education primarily aims to enhance the learning experience. Gamified learning, the primary purpose of an avatar is to represent the player. In the context of gamification, leaderboards are used to rank players based on their achievements. game sales is not a method for assessing gamified learning. To be continued.